What's going on, boaters? We just got in this 2026 Cobalt CS23 in. This is going to be the perfect runabout boat for you and your family this summer. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you get your transom audio control along with two cup holders back here. In this back compartment, you're going to have a place to put your cooler so it's out of the way. You have a nice big sun pad. Lift this seat up to come into the boat. Super easy. You're gonna have lots of in-seat storage as well. You have your JL audio system, so you can be playing the tunes all day long. You have your passenger seat and your captain's chair with the bolster. You're gonna get your Garmin touchscreen display. You also have a big in-floor ski locker in there. And then when you're coming across the lake at night, you can close this off, stay nice and warm in the back. You're gonna have a nice bow as well. Super comfortable to sit in, hang out with your friends and family all day long. You're gonna wanna come check this boat out at Crosslake. Let's get you on the water this summer.